Fast English Club.
Meeting a new friend.
Hi, my name is David. What's your name?
Hi, David. I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy, and you?
I'm from the USA. Do you live here?
Yes, I moved here last year for work.
That's cool. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I work in a bank.
At the doctor's office.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, how can I help you?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I will give you some medicine. Drink lots of water and rest.
Thank you, doctor.
Buying a train ticket.
Hello, I need a train ticket to Manchester.
One way or round trip?
Round trip, please.
What time do you want to leave?
At 10 a.m., please.
Okay. Your ticket is $20.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice trip.
Thanks.
Talking about a hobby.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing football. What about you?
I like painting.
That's nice. How long have you been painting?
For about 2 years.
Cool. Maybe one day I can see your paintings.
Sure.
At the supermarket.
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
It's in aisle 3.
Thank you. And where are the eggs?
They are near the milk section.
Great. How much is this milk?
It's $2.50.
Okay, I'll take 2.
Making an appointment. Hello? I would like to make an appointment.
Sure. What day do you prefer?
Friday, please.
Morning or afternoon?
Afternoon at 2 p.m., if possible.
Yes, 2 p.m. is available.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Talking about family. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 2 sisters.
Wow, that's a big family.
Yes, what about you?
I have 1 younger sister. She is 10 years old.
That's nice. I love spending time with my family.
Me too. At a clothing store?
Excuse me, do you have this dress in size M?
Let me check. Yes, we have it in size M.
Great. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Asking about the time. Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 3:45 p.m.
Oh, I have a meeting at 4 p.m.
Don't worry, you still have time.
Thank you. Do you know where the nearest bus stop is?
Yes, it's just around the corner.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
No problem.
Fast English Club.